Hi, I'm just doing a little video on this wet dry vac that I bought. It's a Narwal, if I'm pronouncing it correctly. This is what I use to, clean my floors. It gets the dirt up. I don't gotta sweep or mop. It just gets up the dirt and then it cleans it, right? So this thing, I got to do a lot to clean it to keep using it. And it's annoying. So I might have to ditch this and buy another one, you know, you know, some of the things before I start using it. And it's annoying because it seemed like every time I use it a couple of times, I got to keep cleaning it to get the full effect, right? So I might just ditch this and just buy another one. So, this is a video about, me cleaning the stuff and giving a little review on this dry, wet vacuum thing. So this is not one of them cooking, videos with cook it with time, cook it, clean it with China, clean it with love. So yeah, right? So I'm gonna show you how I put everything back together and show you what I cleaned. Just give me a second. So, and this is the charging station over here. I'll show you that in a minute as well. So this here, put this back in here, right? This goes in the back. This here. And then you got to keep cleaning the brushes. Come with 2 brushes. Back here, this is where you take it out, put the water in.
Please tilt the handle backward to resume cleaning. Quiet mode.